In this lesson, we're going to learn about adding fractions. And we're going to do it using models, so it'll be a little bit easier to understand it. So if we have a problem like this that says, use the model to help you add the fractions. And we have this square plus this square equals question mark. And so you're probably asking yourself, well, how could these be fractions? They're just boxes. But if you take a look at these in a little bit more detail, you'll see that their box is cut up into 9 pieces, right? 3, 6, 9. And there's 2 filled in here. Same thing over here. So what we're trying to do here is understand what each picture shows. Okay, so each small square is 1 out of 9. So there's 1 out of 9, or 1/9. Each little square is 1/9. So because this one has 2 filled in, this is 2/9. And similarly, this box is 2/9 as well, 2/9, because 2 are filled in. So now the next step is to add the total number of blue squares. Okay? So there's 4 blue squares in total. There's this one, this one, this one, this one. So there are 4 of the 1/9 pieces. 4 of the 1/9 pieces. This is the same as 4/9. So the final step is to finish off the drawing. So the drawing is going to look like this. So what we did was we added these two with these two, and it gives you 4. And the picture would look like this. 4 out of the 9 would be filled in. So the final sentence will look like this. 2/9 plus 2/9 equals 4/9. And you've just added your first fraction. And it's that simple. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. You could just rewind the video and watch it again. If you need extra help, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned. And please, thank you so much for listening.